name is Jennifer Treter. I am one of the managing principals of Hendrick. We are a full-service design firm in Atlanta, Georgia. The main sectors we focus on are corporate or workplace, healthcare, hospitality, and adaptive reuse and building repositioning. I mean, it didn't help that there was a pandemic. I think that impacted all of our businesses in different ways. But the main impact was on the revenue and the profitability behind that. We hadn't focused as much on our business development, and that was impacting our bottom line. So we knew we needed to have a stronger focus in those markets. We also brought on a ground-up architecture team in 2022. And in growing that team, we needed to have the same attention to growing them in our different market sectors and then the additional sectors that we were taking on. So all of that to diversify so that we didn't end up in the same situation of being, over 70% of our business in one market sector. First, to actually build a strong CRM, allowing us to have better optics into sales, how we were tracking, keeping up with our tracking, being able to see what our recurring opportunities are as a team. So that just that accountability overall, it helped us set a good process in general, putting people, more accountability on people, giving them targets to be able to work towards versus it being overwhelming to say, I need to go find. Probably after 6 months, more than half of the individuals involved, it started to really form good habits. Increased revenue, I think we were up over 17% in that first year. And increased revenue and profit as well grew at an equal or close to equal pace. One of the other benefits was we were diversifying our sectors. So within that, this 1 year time frame, we were reducing, not that we weren't chasing workplace or corporate, we really started putting more focus towards hospitality, healthcare, and the architecture practice in those sectors, but also adaptive reuse and building repositioning. Being able to have a strong coach who could uncover and help us scale it and train and teach in a meaningful way has been really helpful because sometimes you just can't do it yourself. Just take a moment, if you're thinking about using SalesStar, take some time to meet with you guys to help understand the opportunities and for you guys to dive in, understanding maybe where those pain points are, and having a coach who's an expert in this process can really set you on a good path to build new habits.